Hello, this is the i-radd rack assembly video.
Hi, my name is Art, and I'm going to take you through an assembly process with the i-radd Gear Company drying rack. We're going to begin by taking this frame that has the tabs located on the one side and the two retaining bars. And as you'll see with the two retaining bars, there's stops located on one end. Those are the ends in which we're going to begin with, and we're going to join those right here. Give them a firm press in. Two tools required here are basic rubber mallet and a number 3 Phillips, which is a large head Phillips screwdriver. You can use a cordless drill if you have so, and if not, just a regular old screwdriver like this will work. You just want to make sure that they're seated firmly. That looks good, and that looks good. Next, we're going to slide on the one retaining tube onto this end. And then we're going to take the shoulder pin arm, which is this configuration here, with your T-slot, and we're going to slide that onto this end here. And you might need to pop it a little bit with your hand. Once it's into this position, we're going to slip on the other end of the framework right into that. Just pop it on with your hand a little bit, or use your rubber mallet. Either one works good. And then we're going to put the other remaining 2 screws on. Okay, next we can put on, last but not least, the other arm. And for this one, again, it's a little bit easier putting it on its side like this. Then once you get it to this point, you can give it a little pop with the rubber mallet, like that. And we're going to open these up. And, we'll fix the strap real quick. And the strap is very simply done. Place it through there and through the little buckle end. That. Bring it down to here. Back up. You want this thing just being. And then last but not least, we're going to put our cross T-bar on there. And you're looking for the one side with the notch here. You're going to put it in there. Again, either use your hand or the rubber mallet. Give it a little pop. Like that. And we're going to put our 4 feet on there. And if you're not using the wheel assembly, that's what these feet are for. They're to stabilize the unit if you're not using the wheel assembly. And those you just put on like that. Give it a little pop. And since we're not putting the wheel assembly on, we'll just put it off the bottom. That's it. We have fully assembled the i-radd drying rack.